look like it's anywhere to fucking go around these cars. 2 trucks, 2 cars, and me in oncoming traffic. Watch this stupid motherfucker right here. He already 2 inches from my fucking trailer. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Study trying to go around. He ain't trying to go around 4 fucking times. And there ain't no way to motherfucking go around. Got it. Watch it. This is the type of motherfuckers y'all behind and trying to get out here and putting on the road. Motherfucker ain't got no common sense. Watch it. Look at this stupid ass. Look. Now watch the traffic around here. Ain't nowhere for you to fucking go. You see this shit? Nowhere to fucking go. And you want to rush to go around this motherfucker. You let y'all see before he runs somebody off the motherfucking road. Look. Look at this shit. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Nigga, I'm not letting a motherfucker get over for shit. This that stupid ass shit. You see this shit? Motherfucking Swift driver. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Y'all see this shit? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Let's see what he gonna do, y'all. Look at this shit. Look, he finna run a little car off the road. Look. Look at this shit. Y'all think a motherfucker be playing out here? I'm glad I can catch this shit. Man. You.
Я заснял. Пиздец. Угробили танк.
Brother! Dude! Bro, that is a fucking piston.
Mandei ela arrochar que ela nem mexeu não.
Why? Tells me I'm not on black ice. How the hell does that work? I said, if they're spraying water, you know it ain't ice. Oh shit. Fucking plow just caused an accident.
Quebrou o troço.
Ai, meu Deus do céu, vai cair, amor. Nossa, amor do céu, olha isso aqui. Nossa, minha Nossa Senhora. Caiu. Caiu.
E velho, como tá, ó, caiu aí, ó. Mano, que B.O. Olha aí, olha aí, olha aí, ó. Aí, mano, o bagulho tá louco, hein? Mano, o tricolor tá caindo, mano. Olha o bagulho.
Mãe, ó. Enorme, enorme.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Slow down, baby.
fucking hate people, dog.
Yeah, I hate too.
Now we're gonna